On a holy night, long ago, the angels learned to sing. In Bethlehem, the Savior is born. Oh, hear their voices ring. This child born in a manger would conquer death and Satan's dangers. A little heaven on earth, sing praises to the King. It was on a holy night long ago that the angels learned to sing. It was on a holy night long ago that the angels learned to sing. Some 30 years later, he was destined to die, nailed to a tree, crucified. And that was the day that God's own tears fell, and heaven on earth became a living hell. With nails in his hands and a sword in his side, that was the day. That was the day the angels learned to cry. That was the day the angels learned to cry. Learned to cry. And the world grew dark, and all hope was lost, but mankind was saved. God's Son paid the cost. Blue skies returned, and away rolled that stone. He went back to his Father, and he sits on the throne. Yes, Jesus is alive. Hear their voices ring. Thank God the angels remembered how to sing. On a holy night, long ago, the angels learned to sing. In Bethlehem, the Savior is born. Oh, hear their voices ring. This child born in a manger would conquer death, Satan's dangers. A little heaven on earth, sing praises to the King. It was on a holy night long ago that the angels learned to sing. It was on a holy night long ago that the angels learned to sing.